Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about what is the reason behind the error that your device is not compatible with this version when you download PhonePe Business Merchant app. So let's get started. So friends, that message often you see trying to download an app on Google Play Store means the software or hardware requirement for your app are not met by your device. Okay, so I think your device is simply too old to receive the necessary OS updates. Unfortunately, you may not be able to download that specific app, so I think you need to replace your device with the latest feature. So you can try some method to solve it. First is go to your device setting and look for system or software updates. Check for any updates and install any available update. Okay, this is often the quickest fix, and you can try another method, which is go to your setting listing app go to your app listing page on the store and look for the developer contact information. Ask them for the minimum requirement for the app. They may be able to explain the specific reason of your device of your device is blocked. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.